Ever craved a sleek and modern way to manage your money? Enter the world of digital banking, where neon lights replace stuffy bank branches. But with all this innovation, one question lingers: is the Neon app truly free? Buckle up, financially savvy friends, because we're about to dissect the neon sign and reveal the hidden costs, or lack thereof. For those unfamiliar, the Neon app offers a mobile banking experience. We're talking instant transfers, budgeting tools, and snazzy MasterCard integration, all accessible from your smartphone. Sounds pretty darn convenient, right? But convenience often comes with a price tag. So, where's the catch with Neon? The Neon breakdown, free with a capital F. Here's the exciting part: the core Neon app boasts a glorious free label. That's right, downloading and using the basic functionalities won't cost you a dime. You can open an account, send and receive money, and keep tabs on your finances, all without breaking the bank, literally. This free tier caters perfectly to those seeking a no-frills banking solution. Students, young professionals, or anyone who prefers a minimalist approach can find everything they need within the free Neon app. But wait, there's more: optional features. Now, Neon understands that one size doesn't always fit all. That's why they offer premium features bundled into different account types. These accounts come with a monthly fee, but they unlock additional perks that might tickle your fancy. Here's a glimpse into what the paid Neon accounts offer. Neon Green: this plan caters to the frequent traveler. It eliminates foreign transaction fees, a lifesaver for globetrotters. Neon Metal: this account is for the high rollers, or those who aspire to be. It boasts exclusive benefits like travel insurance and premium card designs. The bottom line: free or fee, you choose. The beauty of Neon lies in its flexibility. You can stick with the free tier and enjoy the core functionalities, or you can upgrade to a paid plan for additional features. It all boils down to your individual needs and financial habits. But here's the kicker: even with the paid plans, Neon remains remarkably transparent. They clearly outline the monthly fees associated with each account type, so you know exactly what you're signing up for. There are no hidden charges or surprise deductions, just straightforward banking with a modern twist. Neon versus traditional banks, a cost comparison. Let's face it, traditional banks can be notorious for hidden fees and a maze of monthly charges. Account maintenance fees, ATM withdrawal costs, and minimum balance requirements can quickly drain your hard-earned cash. Neon, on the other hand, offers a refreshingly transparent alternative. Here's a quick comparison. Traditional banks, often riddled with hidden fees and minimum balance requirements. Neon, free tier, eliminates these common pain points, with optional paid plans offering additional benefits at a clear cost. The verdict: free can be fantastic. So, is the Neon app free? Absolutely, with the core functionalities readily available at no cost. It's a fantastic option for those seeking a convenient and transparent way to manage their finances. However, if you crave travel-friendly features or premium perks, the paid Neon plans offer enticing upgrades at a clearly communicated cost. Ultimately, the choice is yours. Neon empowers you to choose the level of service that best suits your financial needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy banking.